Community support are just a few features available. More information about the application process for Focus Choice Schools is available at edrfocus.org or 225-922-5472.
Another key issue. I'm Joe Chiro, Fox News. President Biden has signed the bipartisan bill raising the debt ceiling.
There's no question it's a strong jobs report from the White House, and they have every reason to be excited about it. You know, when you look at the
That sounds like devil music. My goodness.
Power to do just that. Article 5 allows the states to call a convention to prepare.
Each week we'll be spotlighting several new artists, and together we'll learn something about each one.
Now the radio doesn't have good reception. It just needs a new antenna.
I was with one of my colleagues at a restaurant to have one of the good meals of the day.
This is Emmanuel.
Rouge.
The radio's not so great, but for the antenna just needs to be replaced. Such as you can see here, it's not picking up anything past 105. The flip clock works.
HHS Secretary.
Unless I turn it up all the way.
Reportedly spoke to Cohen. Congratulating her. The previous leader, Rochelle Walensky.
Turn it down so I don't bust my eardrums. Alright, let's go back to AM. Turn it up a little bit.
And off now.
AM is pretty good.
And open up new opportunities in career, travel, and more. Choose from Spanish, Italian, Japanese, and over 20 more languages. Rosetta Stone memberships are for
Our classic blues radio station.
Aiming for kind of unifying logic to the things that I was studying. I was always looking for big picture images to help me understand smaller things. My process, so I was in assembly. But it's right out of the South. So my part.
We're going to test out the alarm. What time is it? 2 p.m. That god awfully loud buzzer. Let's turn it back to on precision.
In the mid-70s, Chenier would win a scholarship and then go on to study music at Texas Southern University. After completing college, CJ would get an offer from his father to help perform saxophone with the Red Hot Louisiana Band, who also happened to have CJ's uncle in it, Cleveland Chenier. While out on the road, Chenier's father would help him to understand the family business, and how to take hold of the passion that he